Hello and welcome to 2 Minute Watch Reviews. Here we have you can't quite tell in the light, a blue Aqua Terra. This is the latest model. I think it came out around 2017, 2018 with the 8800 movement, you can see there. And you've seen from the other videos that I've reviewed the older versions, ones with the date at the 3 o'clock rather than the 6 o'clock. And it is a bit thinner, it's a bit lighter. I think obviously one of the main changes will be whether you prefer the vertical or the horizontal teak dial. At first I thought I preferred the vertical, but actually the kind of horizontal lines are kind of warming onto me. And there is a certain kind of cleanness to the symmetry of having the date window at the 6 o'clock. And another thing I've noticed is that I really like the having the polished the polished bracelets in the middle. I think that adds a level of kind of dressiness to it, which isn't in the framed version, the frame dates version of the Aqua Terra. And another key difference from this version with the 8800 movement is having, as well as the Omega logo, it has the name Omega printed on or stamped, etched onto the clasp. So there we have it. I think this is actually one of my favourites. The blue really, I think maybe we could try and chuck it in the sunlight. It can see a bit more of a dark, but you can probably see the naviness coming out, and it really is a gorgeous kind of colour. And I think for someone who, like me, prefers the sunburst style, usually I think this is a very nice compromise. It makes it a little bit more interesting, and really like the sharp kind of arrowed indices as well. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favourite watches, and definitely check this one out.